What if the secret to getting rich wasn't hidden in books or luck, but in how early you understand the rules of success? Most people wait for opportunity. The wealthy create it. The truth is, wealth follows awareness. The faster you learn how money, mindset, and artificial intelligence shape the world, the quicker you'll rise. This isn't about magic formulas. It's about clarity, consistency, and courage. In this video, you'll discover what the world's richest thinkers know, the principles that separate dreamers from doers. Stay till the end, because the moment you absorb these lessons, your path to wealth will accelerate beyond what you ever imagined. Wealth starts in the mind. Wealth begins long before the first dollar is earned. It starts in the mind, in the way you think, decide, and respond to challenges. Rich people don't think if they can succeed, they think how. They see setbacks as strategies in disguise. Studies show that people with growth mindsets are statistically more likely to achieve financial independence. Why? Because they don't wait for perfect conditions, they build them. The sooner you train your mind to focus on possibilities instead of problems, the sooner you attract progress. Your thoughts are blueprints. Shape them right, and your reality will follow. Every successful person on earth proves that truth. Learn how money actually works. Most people work for money, but the rich make money work for them. The difference? Understanding the game. Money flows to those who know how to multiply value. Learn the basics: cash flow, compounding, leverage, and investments. Financial literacy turns confusion into control. Artificial intelligence can now forecast market trends, automate trades, and help manage portfolios. But if you don't understand money's language, you'll always depend on luck. Study how it moves, how it grows, and how it's lost. The earlier you grasp these rules, the faster you build stability and freedom. Knowledge compounds faster than interest, and in today's world, that's the most profitable skill you can have. Replace excuses with execution. Every day you wait, someone else takes the spot you could have earned. Excuses feel safe. They protect the ego, but they cost success. The wealthy act, even when they're uncertain. They know perfection is an illusion. Progress is the real power. Think about it. Every major entrepreneur began before they were ready. The moment you stop saying someday and start saying today, life begins to shift. Artificial intelligence now removes excuses entirely. It gives you tools, information, and speed like never before. Execution is the great equalizer. You don't need to be the smartest. You just need to start. Every bold move compounds into confidence and results. Build skills that pay forever. The richest people aren't chasing trends. They're mastering timeless skills: communication, creativity, leadership, persuasion, and now mastering artificial intelligence. These are the currencies of the future. When you invest in learning, you multiply your income potential for life. Skills compound. Shortcuts expire. Think of skills as tools. The sharper they are, the less effort success takes. The world keeps evolving, and those who adapt win. Learn skills that solve problems, because money always follows solutions. The sooner you build skills that generate value, not vanity, the faster you'll rise above the crowd. Every skill you gain today becomes a silent partner in your future success. Stop trading time for money. If your income stops when you rest, you're not free yet. The wealthy don't sell time, they buy leverage. They build systems, products, and investments that earn while they sleep. This could be through online platforms, digital content, or artificial intelligence-driven automation. The idea is simple: create something once that pays you repeatedly. Most people stay broke because they confuse busyness with progress. You can't scale your hours, but you can scale your impact. Start building income streams that run without your daily effort. Freedom begins when your money starts working harder than you do. And in the digital era, that's more possible than ever before. Master emotional discipline. Emotions can make or break your wealth. The market crashes, people panic. Prices rise, people chase. The rich stay calm and strategic. Emotional discipline means thinking clearly when others react impulsively. It's what turns losses into lessons and chaos into opportunity. Artificial intelligence can process data, but only you can master emotion. Studies in behavioral finance show that impulsive investors lose far more than patient ones. Learn to detach from instant gratification. Success rarely happens overnight. The wealthiest individuals are those who stay steady through turbulence. Control your emotions and you control your future. In the end, your bank account will always reflect your level of emotional discipline. Choose environments that stretch you. Growth thrives in challenge. If you're the smartest in the room, you're in the wrong one. Surround yourself with people who think bigger, act faster, and push you forward. Environments shape energy, and energy shapes ambition. The wealthy intentionally build circles that elevate their standards. Even artificial intelligence algorithms learn faster through better data. Humans are no different. Your circle either expands your mindset or limits it. Every conversation you have is either a seed or a ceiling. Choose wisely. The faster you upgrade your environment, the faster your results will change. Remember, proximity is power, and the people around you define the limits of your potential. Turn pain into power. Every success story is built on moments of struggle. Pain isn't your enemy, it's your training ground. The difference between winners and quitters is what they do with pain. The wealthy use adversity as motivation, not an excuse. When life tests them, they turn lessons into leverage. Scientific studies show that resilience, not talent, predicts long-term achievement. Every rejection, every setback is raw material for growth. Artificial intelligence evolves by learning from data errors. Humans evolve by learning from failures. Don't run from pain, refine it into strength. Every scar you earn is a sign you didn't stop, and that endurance is priceless. Use artificial intelligence as your leverage. Artificial intelligence isn't the future, it's the present. Those who learn to use it today will dominate tomorrow. You can automate business systems, create digital products, analyze markets, and scale your impact faster than ever. The wealthy see artificial intelligence as leverage, not competition. It doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. The gap between those who use it and those who ignore it is growing fast. Learn how to combine human judgment with machine precision, and you'll have unstoppable momentum. Artificial intelligence levels the playing field, but only for those who take advantage of it. Use it wisely. It's the most powerful multiplier of this century. Think long-term. Act daily. Success loves consistency. The biggest mistake people make is expecting quick wins and quitting too soon. Wealth is a long-term game built through short-term action. Every habit compounds. Your efforts today become your freedom tomorrow. The rich understand this principle deeply. Patience builds empires. Artificial intelligence accelerates processes, but patience builds permanence. Think decades ahead, but execute every single day. No wasted time, no empty promises. Focus on progress, not perfection. Even a 1% improvement daily doubles your growth faster than you realize. Long-term vision gives you direction. Daily action gives you speed. Together, they make you unstoppable in creating lasting wealth. Build assets, not just income. Income keeps you alive. Assets make you free. The rich don't chase paychecks, they chase ownership. Assets could be property, digital products, stocks, or even automated businesses powered by artificial intelligence. Each one earns without your constant effort. The goal is simple: build streams that flow whether you're working or not. Too many people depend on a single income. One job, one client, one paycheck. That's financial fragility. The wealthy create systems that multiply income even while they rest. The sooner you shift your focus from earning more to owning more, the faster you'll break free from the cycle of dependence. Ownership is the foundation of freedom. Believe before you see. Every transformation begins with belief. The wealthy don't wait for proof. They move with conviction. Belief creates energy, and energy creates momentum. It's the difference between us saying, "I'll try," and "I will." Artificial intelligence runs on algorithms, but humans run on faith, the ability to see results before they exist. Every empire began as a vision in someone's mind. If you can't believe in yourself before the world does, you'll never start. Speak success into your life daily. Visualize the future you want until it feels inevitable. Faith isn't fantasy, it's fuel. And when you combine belief with bold action, wealth becomes the only possible outcome. The secret to wealth isn't luck. It's learning fast, acting smart, and believing deeply. Every principle you just heard is a stepping stone toward freedom. Start applying them today, not next week, not next year. Because the sooner you learn this, the faster you'll get rich. Remember, artificial intelligence can multiply your impact, but only your mindset can unlock true success. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because your journey to financial freedom starts right now, and together we're building a generation that doesn't wait for opportunity. We create it.